Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and I hope you all had a great weekend. Today is Monday, March 4th of 2019, with a couple morning announcements for today. For March birthdays to announce, we do have to announce Jasmine Garcia's birthday, so happy birthday. Also, we have a couple birthdays coming up tomorrow, so those will be upcoming tomorrow, so happy birthday early to maybe those people you might know who you are. Our report cards. Yeah, sorry about report cards not going home on Friday, so we had an attendance issue with reporting it, but all is good now, so report cards will be going home today. Yes, report cards will be going home today. So boys and girls, make sure that your parents get a hold of those and get those report card envelopes turned back in. For our lunch choices for today, we have popcorn nuggets with cookie. We have General Tao's chicken with rice. And then also sun butter and jelly sandwich. And we do have our pause brought to you by the first grade students today. So I will play that for you now.
All right, boys and girls, for our pause today, we have first grade students here. And one of the areas that about is actually playground behavior, because even though we've had inside recess for many days this winter, we got to remember what our playground rules would be. So we have some students here that will actually give some examples about what you should not be doing outside.
Don't push people on the blacktop. Don't hit people. Don't push people on the blacktop when they're trying to play.
Hey, those are all very good suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, boys and girls. And of course, as hopefully our weather gets nicer in the next couple of weeks, hopefully we'll have more days of outside recess. But boys and girls, it is really important when we do have outside recess, your hands stay to yourself. We're not pushing or shoving. We're not running into people in line. And that goes for you too, also 4th and 5th grade students, because I've watched you on the cameras and you're a big part of that problem. So let's make sure we keep our hands to ourselves at all times. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And as always, the choices are yours. So let's make sure we're making some great choices today on a Monday.